Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. So guys, let's take a look at the gold market. As usual, we will do this. On the first glance of the daily chart, when you see the picture, you probably should be happy. So the pattern that we have discussed within the couple of weeks now is almost completed, and we just feel the thrill where it will start to work, when the market will drop by this pattern, and when we will be able to take the short position based on this pattern and so on. But guys, it's really not as simple as it seems on the daily chart, because if you will take a look at the weekly chart, you will see that due to the poor gross domestic product release on Friday, we've got the bullish grabber pattern on the weekly chart, and the bullish grabber pattern suggests the taking out of this top, and that makes situation here is absolutely unpredictable and very difficult to make any decision, because if you would like to take the position based on the hand shoulders, you should keep in mind that you have the pattern on the weekly chart that stands against you, and that suggests taking out of this top, and that's really very difficult to take the short in such circumstances. That's why we need to prepare some view, some trading plan, what we could do in the coming week, taking into consideration both of these patterns. And as the bullish grabber on the weekly and the hand shoulders on the daily, they are contradictive patterns, and someone should probably prevail. So speaking on the grabber that we have on the weekly chart, it also could act differently. So for us, most suitable will be if market just will grab the stops above this top, show some wash and rinse, just grabbing the stops and drop lower again, and to form some kind of the double top here. By this action, market will be able to make a lot of important things. First of all, it will touch the neckline on the monthly chart of our potential hand shoulders pattern that we have there. Also, it will touch finally the major 3/8 resistance on the monthly chart. Simultaneously, if market really will show the wash and rinse and form the double top pattern, this will give us answer on all questions. So we will get the reversal pattern here. Market will just test monthly pivot resistance one and turn down, and that will tell us that this is not the new trend. This is just the upward retracement in the starting bear trend, or at least the testing of the pivot resistance and dropping lower doesn't suggest the existing of the new bull trend. That will be important. This is most preferable way of action that we would like to get, since it stands in agreement with our monthly analysis. Another scenario that could happen is market will break this area and will hold there. This will lead us to probably adjustments. So we will, in this case, we will need to wait what will happen next to understand really what is really going on there. We will need new patterns. We will need new signs from the market to understand what's really happening. Finally, the grabber could fail. So, for example, if market will start work with these head and shoulders and will erase this recent action that is in fact suggested by the head and shoulders pattern. So, if market will start drop, it could erase this bullish grabber on the weekly, but we never know. So, we can't rely on it right now, because we do not know what will happen at the top of the shoulder. So what we could do in the current circumstances. On the 4-hour time frame chart, guys, we do not see something really interesting. So just important levels. 13 even areas, confidence support right below the neckline. It's probably market will get some problems if it will get there later. But this is not really our major headache. So this is the future question, and we will work with it when the market will reach this area, if this really will happen. So that's why on the 4-hour time frame chart we just see the shape of the hand shoulders. That sounds really nice. And now we're mostly worrying about what will happen here. It's very important. Take a look that the top stands precisely at the 1358. The market hasn't quite reached this area. So now we're turning to the hourly chart that is most important on Monday. What we have on the hourly chart? First of all, guys, take a look that market has completed our targets. Yesterday we said that was confidence support before a gross domestic product release. We said that probably as market bullish, it should continue move high and hit 1350 area. That really has happened. Market indeed has stopped right in the confidence support and jumped up right to the target. But this action, you could see that market has completed this A, B, C bottom 1618 extension, and that is also agreement 1350 fib resistance right from the head. So if you will draw the fib level from this top to this bottom, you will see that 1350 is the 618 resistance. Very nice. But take a look at this action, guys. Here it seems that we could treat it as the potential double bottom pattern. This is very typical action here. Take a look. Drop, initially it could be the hand shoulders, but this drop was too significant. That's why we should treat it as the potential double bottom. This is the neckline. It's very typical behavior after breakout. So take a look, market has broken the neckline, retested it, and continue move higher. The double bottoms, guys, usually have the targets that equals to the depth of the bottoms. Or you could use A, B, C, D pattern, but not 1618 extension, but 200 extension. So just two sides to the upside, two measures to the upside of this drop. And this gives us 200 extension right at the 1358, right at the top of the left shoulder. This is important. Keeping in mind that we have the bullish grabber on the weekly chart, we need more improvement from the market of the starting downward action. So you could, of course, you could act differently. That's just my opinion. I share with you with my view. You could, if you have the better trading plan and you have other clues to the current market, of course you could use it. So maybe something will tell you that you could take position right here. It's also possible. This is risky, but if market really indeed will turn down here, you will be in the chocolate. So this will be perfect. But a more conservative tactics suggest that we should get some more signs that market really has started the bearish action. What signs it could be? First of all, market should drop below the monthly pivot point and the weekly pivot point and tell us that sentiment has shifted bearish. Also, market should break down to this confidence support, and what is more important, market should return back in the body of the double bottom pattern and will return back below this neckline. Other words, shortly speaking, we need bearish reversal pattern. If we will get not the pattern, reversal swing, so we need to see that the downward action here will be lower than the former last upward action. If this will happen, that will give us at least some confidence the possible taking the short position. So in this case, we probably will not need to wait when the grabber will be totally destroyed, but this action will become not quite typical for a bullish grabber. So when the market on the technical picture has moved significantly lower and will break some important levels, that is not typical for upwardly directed market. So at least these moments we should wait. Or we just will not do anything and wait what will happen with the grabber. That's also tactic, most conservative. So if suddenly the market will break the 1360 area to the upside, other words speaking, if market will break the shoulder and continue move higher, it will tell us that weekly grabber starts to work. And in this case, all that we could do is just to watch what will happen around the top. We would like to get double top pattern here. So market should take it out of the stop, grab the stops above this area and drop lower immediately. If this will happen, this will be just perfect. In this case, we will get not the hand shoulders, but the double top pattern here. It's also possible. So as you can see, situation is not really clear and it's a bit sophisticated for the analysis because suddenly market has formed the contradictory patterns on the daily chart and on the weekly. Usually the high time frame chart is overruled the lower time frame chart. but you never know in advance. So what really will happen? Because keep in mind that we will get the ADP report, we will get the non-farm payrolls release on Friday. All these events could really change the situation from top to bottom. So just be extra careful with the trading. Try to avoid some risky trades and try to avoid the anticipation of the market. Wait for the clear patterns. We will follow the market with our daily updates. We'll try to maybe somehow to help with the understanding on the overall situation, what really is going on here.